There's a section inside every Walmart that 90% of shoppers have never set foot in. It is not hidden. It is not locked. It is just far enough from the main aisles that most people never have a reason to walk there, and it contains some of the cheapest survival gear in America. The camping aisle, the section that changes everything. Picture this. A winter storm knocks out power to your neighborhood. Temperatures inside your house drop below 50 degrees within 6 hours. Your family is sitting in the dark, wearing coats indoors, and you realize you have no way to heat water, no way to cook food, and no reliable light source beyond your phone, which is at 31% and dropping. Now picture walking into Walmart 2 weeks earlier and spending 11 minutes in the camping aisle. That aisle stocks a single-burner propane stove for under $20. One small green canister of propane costs $3 and burns for about 2 hours. That is enough to boil water for drinking, heat canned soup, and make coffee. $3, 2 hours of cooking capability when your kitchen is completely dead. Next to it on the shelf sits a pack of 18 hand warmers for $6. Most people associate hand warmers with skiing or football games. Nobody thinks of them as survival equipment. During the Texas grid failure in 2021, hand warmers were used inside sleeping bags to prevent hypothermia in homes where indoor temperatures dropped into the 20s. Hospitals across the state reported frostbite cases from people sleeping in their own bedrooms. Not outdoors, not in shelters, in their own homes. A $6 pack of hand warmers would have prevented every single one of those cases. But the item that makes this aisle genuinely different from every other store is the emergency BVVE. It looks like a silver pouch the size of your fist. It costs $4, and it reflects 90% of your body heat back to you. In a home without heating, sleeping inside one of these is the difference between a cold, uncomfortable night and a genuinely dangerous one. Search and rescue teams carry them as standard equipment. Walmart sells them next to the tent stakes, and almost nobody picks one up. That entire shelf, the stove, the propane, the hand warmers, the bivvy, totals under $40. It fits in a single grocery bag, and it solves the 3 problems that actually hospitalize people during winter power outages. No heat, no hot food, no warmth while sleeping. Now, most people assume the camping section is the only survival-relevant aisle in Walmart. It is not even close. The next section is one that every single person walks through every single week, and they have been stepping over the most important item on this entire list without knowing it. The grocery aisle. What is hiding in plain sight? There's a shelf in the canned goods aisle that tells you something important about how supply chains actually work. It is the shelf with the store brand canned vegetables, the ones in the plain white and blue great value packaging that cost 67 cents per can. During every major supply disruption in the past 5 years, name brand canned goods sold out within the first 48 hours. Campbell's, Chef Boyardee, Hormel, gone. But the store brand shelf directly below them often still had inventory 2 and 3 days later. Not because the product was worse. In many cases, it comes from the exact same factory. It stayed on the shelf because people reach for what they recognize and they reach at eye level. The bottom shelf is invisible to a panicking shopper. That bottom shelf at Walmart is a survival advantage that costs 67 cents per can. 10 cans is $6.70. That is roughly 12,000 calories of food that requires no refrigeration, no cooking, and no preparation beyond a can opener. Stored in a closet, it lasts 3 to 5 years. And when the name brands are gone, it is still sitting there waiting for someone who knows where to look. But the real discovery in the grocery section is not on any shelf in the canned goods aisle at all. It is in the baking aisle. A 25-pound bag of white rice costs just over $9 at most Walmart locations. That single bag contains approximately 36,000 calories. At 2,000 calories per day, that is 18 days of base-level sustenance for one person. $9. 18 days. There is nothing else in the entire store that comes close to that cost per calorie ratio. How many of you walk past the baking aisle every week without realizing there is a month of emergency food sitting right there for under $20? Drop it in the comments. I am genuinely curious. Now, the next section is where Walmart quietly beats every other retailer in the country. It is not the section you would expect, and the prices on what they stock there are, in some cases, genuinely difficult to believe. The auto section, the section nobody connects to survival. Ask anyone to name the survival aisles at Walmart and they will say camping, maybe sporting goods, maybe hardware. Nobody says automotive. And that is exactly why most people miss some of the most practical emergency items in the entire store. Picture a summer blackout, no air conditioning, temperatures inside the house climbing past 90 degrees, your refrigerator has stopped running, your phone is dying, and your car, sitting in the driveway with a full tank of gas, has a 12-volt battery that is fully charged and a cigarette lighter port that outputs enough power to run small devices for hours. The auto section at Walmart stocks 12-volt inverters for under $20. Plug it into your car's cigarette lighter and you have a standard household electrical outlet. Enough to charge every phone in the house, run a small fan to move air, power a lamp, or keep a medical device running through the night. Your car becomes a portable generator that you already own. No gas cans, no pull-start engines, no noise. Just turn the key to accessory mode and plug in. Most people have never made that connection. Your car is a battery with wheels. And the $20 inverter in the auto aisle is the adapter that unlocks it. Next to the inverters, you will find jumper cables, tire sealant, and emergency roadside kits. Standard stuff. But the item that experienced preppers specifically seek out in this aisle is the siphon. Fun pump. Not for gasoline, for water. The same hand-operated siphon pump that transfers fuel between containers can also move water from a rain barrel, a swimming pool, or a hot water tank into drinking containers. $7. No electricity required, no moving parts to break, no batteries to die. If this video is changing how you see your local Walmart, like genuinely helps push it to more people who need to see it. One tap makes a real difference. The last section is the one that ties everything together, and it contains an item that I believe every household in America should own. It costs under $3, and almost nobody buys it until the exact moment it is already too late. The hardware section, the $3 item that changes everything. Walmart's hardware section is small compared to Home Depot or Lowe's. Most people walk past it entirely because they assume it only carries basic household supplies. Light bulbs, batteries, tape, extension cords, nothing worth stopping for. They are wrong. During Hurricane Helene in 2024, one of the most requested items at emergency shelters across the Southeast was not food, not water, not blankets. It was plastic sheeting, specifically the 6-mil polyethylene sheeting that Walmart sells in the hardware aisle for under $10 per roll. When a tree branch pierces your roof or a window breaks during a storm, water begins entering your home immediately. Within 48 hours, mold begins forming on every wet surface. Within a week, the damage can make entire rooms uninhabitable. A 10-foot sheet of plastic and a roll of duct tape creates a weatherproof seal in under 30 minutes. No tools, no training, no contractor needed. But the item I specifically want you to remember from this entire video is even simpler than that. It is a pack of heavy-duty contractor trash bags. Walmart sells a box of 20 for under $3. That sounds completely unremarkable until you understand what a contractor bag actually is in a survival context. It is a waterproof container that holds up to 42 gallons. It is a rain poncho with armholes cut in it. It is a ground cover that keeps you dry while sleeping outdoors. It is a dry bag for electronics and documents during a flood. It is a window seal when duct taped over a broken pane. It is a solar water still when stretched over a hole in the ground with a rock in the center. It is an improvised sleeping bag liner that traps body heat. And when filled with dirt or sand, it is a sandbag that can redirect water away from a doorway. 20 bags, under $3. More uses than any single product in this entire store. And it is sitting in the hardware aisle between the duct tape and the zip ties, completely invisible to anyone who has not been taught to see it for what it actually is. Closing 4 sections: the camping aisle, the grocery aisle, the auto section, and the hardware section. Total cost, if you bought every item mentioned in this video, is under $100. It all fits in 2 Walmart bags, and it covers heating, cooking, lighting, food storage, water transfer, emergency power, and shelter repair. Everything is available right now at full stock at Walmart prices. The only variable is timing, whether you walk those aisles before you need what is on them or after, when the shelves look very different and the prices are not the same. Subscribe to Collapse Crate. Next week, we are walking every aisle of Costco with the same question: what is hiding there that nobody thinks to buy?